we're gonna go over our February favorites that I have tried and I like and can't wait to use them more and show you a little bit more of the actual product. So we're gonna get right into the items that I have to share with you. The first I have is different serums, and some of them I got on Amazon, some I got at TJ Maxx, different places, but here you have the rose gold, the 24 karat gold, and you have a white gold. These are the serums, and this one here is a sparkling oil serum white gold, and this one is for luxury brightening your skin. Then we have the 24 karat gold sparkling oil serum luxury firming treatment, and there that one goes. I guess I need to get it, huh? Then we have here the rose gold oil serum, and this is the hydrating treatment here. And we have by Skin Lab Instant Line Smoother. This stuff is amazing. I really love this stuff. This is great for mature women. I hope you can see that. Then we have here, I got these on Amazon, True Skin Serum. This is super serum. It has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, it has potassium, it has magnesium and retinol and vitamin C, of course, I think I said, but this here I got and I like. This one here is another True Skin HA hyaluronic acid. This has got vitamin C and E, and another item I got from Amazon. Give me just a second and let me get before I put on any of my makeup. My second face item, this is Rib Skin. This is Natural RX. It's a post-procedure mask. Say that you had some plastic surgery done on your face, or you went and had a facial done, microdermabrasion done. This is basically like a healing mask, but this has stem cell. It's a stem cell mask, and again, these can be purchased at Amazon or on Amazon as well. I put one on this morning, but it has like a natural relief, regeneration. It has a it has skin cooling and soothing, and it also has peptides, and it just has so many different great benefits to use. But you just take the plastic off of it and you put it on your face, and I left it on a little too long. Mine dried on my face, but I think it does an amazing job. I really like these. My next go-to, this is going to be for basically the face again, but I purchased these on Amazon, and these are these little tabs that you can put under your eye to do your eyelashes, or if you do makeup, you can put it underneath the eyelashes so you don't get it on the face, the mascara, or you can use it on the corner to get a nice crease. There's so many different ways to doing a crease. You don't have to do it this way, but it says be fearless, be flawless, and be smudge free. These are shadow shields. Also, it helps that if you're putting eyeshadow on, if you don't have any residue that drops onto your face, and you just stick it on, you just peel it off, and boom, you're done. The next thing that I'm going to share, this is Wing Liner Stamp. This is a really cool, I guess, makeup tool, but this here I purchased on Amazon again, and one end has the actual stamp. Let's turn it around. So this one has the actual stamp here, so I will show you here on my hand. You just stamp, boom, you got a wing there. Then you use the other end to fill in the wing on the rest of your eye. This one is a little bit more thinner and skinnier, so I will show you. So here, that one's a little bit thinner And the same thing, you use the other end to fill in the rest of your eye, and it stays. It does not smudge, it doesn't move or anything like that. So that has turned out to be, I guess, you know, a new item to give a try to. It's pretty cool. The next thing is Too Faced Unicorn Tears, which is a highlighting stick here. And as you know, TJ Maxx and all these stores have all these items just a tad cheaper than what you can get. But I got this here. This is really cute. I will show you. And it looks like a little unicorn thing, but you just take it and, you know, you can put it on your face here and here, and it gives you, you know, that glow. And that's it. So I said, oh, let me give it a try. It's $10, let me give it a try. I'll try it out and things like that. So it's not too bad, not too shabby. The next thing we're gonna go to, I'm really big on vitamins. Taking care is so much on your outside, but also on the inside. And I have different types of ones, but I really like these Hum vitamins. Here comes the sun. This has got vitamin D3 without the UV damage, high efficiency vitamin D3. It's 2 a day, but I really like their vitamins. You can get these on Amazon, you can get them at Sephora. They range in different prices, and they also have Beauty Z's. It helps promote a restful beauty sleep. This has melatonin and B6 that I like to take here, and you just take 2 of these before you go to bed. I have a humpteen other ones that I take as well that I'll do another video on those. Taking care of our feet, I have purchased these are foot pedals, as you can tell, and you can put them in your high heels if you have like some pain, ladies. And then they have these as well. And again, these just insert into your shoe. They fit in very easy into high heels, all different sizes and shapes, and it'll show you where you know, if you feel pain here, these are the best ones for you. And then this one here shows it's all over if you feel like you have pain or anything. But these are really cool little inserts that you can put in your shoes that take the pain away from wanting to feel beautiful and wear the heels all day long without enduring the massive pain. The next thing we're gonna go into is hair. As I did this morning, I do once or twice a month, I do my Olaplex hair treatments. And in here, again, I've done videos on these. I just love the way it just helps my hair to become more healthier. As you can tell, my new growth needs to be done terribly bad, but I'm gonna hold off a little bit on it, and I just want to get my hair more healthier. I do have to go and get it trimmed. It's get it back in shape. It's not in shape, so I really like this. This is #1 Bond Multiplier, and there's 2 bottles in here of #2 Bond Perfector, which you put 1 on, you leave it, do not rinse, and then you put 2 on, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then you rinse, and you can shampoo, conditioner, whatever you like to do. I usually follow up with #3 and 4 and 5. Then my next thing is, I have bragged about this many times. This is the Wow Dream Coat. This stuff is amazing. You just spray it on your damp hair before you blow dry it, and it just helps take all of the humidity, the dampness out of your hair. It helps you dry your hair extremely fast. And while we're on that, I'm gonna show you, I also have here, this is the Revlon brush, blow dryer. It does everything. It's multiple use, but it has cool, low, and high. I did a video on this. I literally dried my hair in like 3.5 minutes completely. This is how it came out. And when I use this with this, it's like right at 2 minutes, my hair is completely dry. Tons, this adds so much volume. This is a wonderful tool, hair tool. I usually use the round brush, different sizes with the blow dryer and then cooling it. And this does everything at one time. And I really, really like this because it gives you the volume, it styles, it dries the hair, it doesn't burn it, you're not putting extreme hot heat on your hair. So this here, really, really, really a great item. I really enjoy it. The next thing is I fell in love with this Orbi Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. This is an amazing dry shampoo. It doesn't leave a high buildup. It doesn't feel even more dirtier. Some of the dry shampoos can make your hair feel. I really enjoy this dry shampoo and the way that it feels in my hair, and it gives it body, it gives it texture. So it's really a cool thing. Again, you can use these together, you can use these together. My next thing is when my hair, especially my ends, feel a little bit dry, this Redken, this is the Diamond Oil Glow Dry. This as well, if you put this on your hair damp, and you can spray some of this to help remove the humidity out and everything, and then again use this, your hair comes out looking fabulous, bouncy, volume, it's silky, it just looks so healthy. Great items. The next thing I wanted to try, I saw this on Instagram and I was like, oh, I gotta try to find this, and you know, I want to try it out because I have a Mr. Coffee machine that does everything and I'm madly in love with it. I don't even go to Starbucks anymore. I can make my own before I leave my home and take it with me in my cup, and I'm extremely happy. But this is called a spice pen, and again, it does all this little decoration stuff. You can buy it on Amazon. It comes with all these little decorative, these are the ones that come in this kit, part of this kit here, and you can put little designs, and then it comes with so many other extra different ones that you just put on your cup, and you just use this little pen to drop cocoa powder, or you can use confectionery, you can use whatever you like to make the decoration. And then if you want to do like the heart, you just pour it in, and then you can use the little, make a little heart. Here's the little stick that they send you to help you create that look. So these are my February favorites. I will link everything down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to join my social media platform. If you do have any questions about any of these products, please drop it down below and I will try my best to get the information. I normally put the product in where I purchased it or where you can purchase it. If there's anything else that you have questions on, please feel free to drop it in the description box down below. And it's gonna be Valentine's soon, so I hope everyone has a wonderful Valentine's, and I hope that you have a great time with your significant other, and I will see you in the next video.